Hey, Jen.
Hey, Kevin.
What are you working on?
Oh, just some outdoor kitchens.
Love outdoor kitchens.
I know, they really create a focal point. They anchor the back of the whole space, just that whole entertainment area.
They're all the rage now, right?
They are. I mean, it's so nice to be able to eat and cook outside.
So that's interesting. Are you the new kitchen designer? The landscape designer
Some
becomes
say
kitchen
it is
designer?
so.
All right, so when a client comes to you and says, give me an outdoor kitchen, what are you telling them?
Well, I asked them how do they want to use the space? What kind of things do you like to cook? Are you a big griller? Do you want just a grill, or do you want other appliances to be part of it?
Smoker, refrigerator,
Yeah,
fire,
rotisserie,
all that kind of stuff.
anything. So I have the clients pick the appliances and then figure out how to incorporate it in. And then you have to think of style, and then you have to think of materials and where the placement is in the garden.
So is this one of your designs?
This is.
That is awesome.
Yeah,
I love that.
this is in downtown in the city, and
Yep.
you would never know.
No. So in this case, obviously the stonework is gorgeous and it gives you a countertop, but all I'm really seeing is a grill, right? Just simple?
This client just wanted a grill, but they wanted a lot of counter space so they could lay out and cook and entertain and put drinks. And then we also incorporated wood into this to match the fence in the background. So it's
Storage
kind of a
underneath,
yeah.
gotcha.
You don't have to have all stainless steel. That added a nice touch.
Looks like $1 million, but obviously simple, right? Just grilling.
Exactly. So other ones, next step up, if you want to add more appliances, I think usually a refrigerator is asked for next.
Yep, so storage underneath the grill, same situation.
Yep,
Now
this
we've
is
got the place for
storage
cold beers and
drawers.
drinks and stuff.
Exactly. You know, you could add lights to this. There's a rotisserie actually in this one. Again, we did bluestone countertops, natural stone veneer. But if you want to take it to the next level, I mean, get totally tricked out, and then it's a massive structure. But you know, the homeowner really wanted all these pieces into the project. So we have a refrigerator, we have a grill. This is a warming drawer. These storage. Got your paper towel holders. It's ridiculously amazing, and you have trash and recycling.
Yep, so it is a full-on kitchen, right? It's got sort of all the things that you'd have inside the house right there, tucked into that one little spot. So simple grill or more appliances go all the way up. The basic building blocks for these all seem to be stone in this case.
You have to set the layout for it. Okay, so
it's
just
actually stone block. This concrete block.
Exactly. So once you have the appliances and you know your dimensions, then you know, of course you have to figure out layout, and then also how far away are you from the house, because you're going to need electricity and plumbing plumbed in for the grill.
Which I'm seeing here. So you can see the plumber's bin there. That's your gas line. There's the electrical stainless steel base once that protective cover's off.
Exactly.
Block, and then that stone veneer you're talking about.
Yes.
So this is full-on construction.
Right. I mean, just like a stone wall, you would have we poured a base, so there is a footing, and then you create the structure with the block, since you know the dimensions, and then the veneer stone goes right on.
Gotcha.
In some cases, you need an insulation jacket, which goes underneath the grill if you're close to wood or anything, just for combustibles.
Yep, got it. Beautiful.
So that is great. We usually, for countertops, we usually use bluestone, sometimes granite, whatever the client wants and matches their scene. So there's one more I just want to show you, because this was super fun.
Just showing off. So now we've got fire pit, we've got some seating, we've got dining seating, and then that thing back there.
That is a pizza oven. So we followed this hippie book we found from California, and we followed a somewhat template. Of course, we had to change a few things.
Rich hippies. Look at that thing. That's beautiful.
So it's wood fired. They stoke it down below. This is a metal grade food bin, and that's where the chimney is.
Good. All right. Well, you know who I'm calling soon.
All right.
You.
Let me know.
I need one.
It really makes an outdoor space.
Thank you, Jen.
Welcome.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.